Uy, ba't ang dami nyo dyan? Lima lang kayo, di ba? Group 1. Hindi, nagkapalit-palit na yung mukha nyo dyan. Kaya group 1 eh. Ang dami nyo dyan. Oh, ito-testing yung ating pilot ladder. Ito-testing ha. Bababaan nyo yan. Huwag ka dyan umawak. Doon ka umawak sa ano. Oh, tingnan nyo. Wala kayong ginawa ding iba. Ang dami nyo dyan.
Bridge pad, this is deck officer sir, pilot ready about 1 meter above the water and good to mangrove receiving line and left spring with lifeline. Stand by now sir.
Okay, very good. MD Mundim, deck officer. Pilot ladder port side. 1 meter above water with 2 good mangroves. With light buoy and line with the pilot bags. Ready now. Over.
Sir, ready now sir.
O, sino ang piloto natin? Yung magaang. Baba. So, report ha. Okay. Sir, pilot boat. Approaching, ha?
Sir, pilot boat approaching.
Okay, sige, lakad. Okay, MB Mundim, pilot boat approaching. Piso kami na?
Pilot boat alongside sir.
Okay, pilot boat alongside. Very good, MB Mundim.
Pilot on the ladder sir.
Diyan ka umawak sa ano, wag dyan. Oy, wag ka dyan, diyan ka umawak. Kasi maano lang yan. Diyan ka umawak.
On the ladder sir.
Very good, pilot on the ladder.
Pilot on board sir.
MB Mundim, very good, pilot on board. Please bring to hospital.
Bring the hospital.
Okay, very good, deck officer. Mooring lines already made pass to our beach and to the buoy. Very good. Okay, MB Mundim, the deck officer forward. We are going to send first the headlines, outer headlines, please, by heaving line, please.
Sir, we're going to send those outer headline.
By heaving line, ha? By heaving line.
Ay sir, by heaving line. Heaving line na sir, sir.
Very good, heaving line ashore.
Now sending outer headline.
Okay, very good. Now sending outer headline. Now, very good. Eh, gagamit nito ha. Tapos made pass ha. Gagamit ng pambusa ha. Dahan-dahan lang ang area ha.
Pilot na ready. 1 meter above the water together with 2 mangroves and life buoy with line and heaving line for the back of the pilot sir.
Okay, copy on that. Deck officer NB Mundim, pilot ladder port side, 1 meter above the water, is ready and together with 2 good man ropes and heaving lines for the pilot. Diba? O, sino magpipiloto? Yung magaang lang. Kaya. Ayusin yung tali, ha? Tinesting nyo ba yan? Ha? Oh, wala pa na testing eh. Report mo lang.
Pilot boat approaching.
Kaya MB Mundim, pilot boat approaching. Is that correct?
Yes. Pilot boat alongside.
Okay, pilot boat alongside. Very good.
Pilot on the ladder.
Pilot on the ladder. Very good.
Pilot on board, sir.
Pilot on board. Very good. This MB Mundim, deck officer, secure pilot ladder port side.
Ano, sir? Secure pilot ladder boat, sir.
Okay, deck officer MB Mundim, we are going to send first your inner headline with the heaving line. Over.
Copy, sir. First send the inner headline by heaving line.
Hoy, mga Steva. Anak ng kamatis. My friend. No good ah. Too much sa cigarette ah.
And sir, heaving line ashore, sir.
Okay, MB Mundim, heaving line ashore. Very good.
Now sending inner headline, sir.
Okay, slowly put down the inner headline, please.
Richard, inner headline made pass, sir.
Okay, inner headline, made pass, please. Start the heaving and then made pass to the beach over.
Copy, sir. Start heaving and made pass.
Okay, MB Mundim, pilot boat approaching. Very good.
Sir, pilot boat alongside, sir.
Pilot boat alongside.
Sir, pilot on the ladder.
Pilot on the ladder. Very good.
Sir, pilot on board, sir.
Okay, very good. MB Mundim, pilot on board. Please secure pilot ladder port side.
Sir, ako, sir.
Please secure pilot ladder port side, please.
Ano, sir, secure. Start and keep securing pilot ladder, sir.
MB Mundim, deck officer, once the pilot ladder secured, please let me know.
Copy, sir, copy, sir.
Hoy, dagdagan ko ng 50.
Sir, pilot ladder at finish clear.
Bili na kayo ng oy. Bili na kayo ng soft drinks dyan, Okay, pilot ladder, port side secure. Is that correct, MB Mundim?
Roger, sir.
Okay, please prepare your mooring lines, please.
Copy, sir. Prepare for it, guys. Sir, already sending messenger line, sir.
Okay, already sending messenger line for the pilot for the tags. Sige, kuha. Sige, bira.
Sir, start giving up tagline.
Okay, very good. Start giving up tagline. Very good.
Tagline number, sir. Tagline board.
Tagline board and please make it pass.
Sir, tagline mid pass, sir. Tagline mid pass.
Okay, very good. Tagline made pass. Please prepare your ribbing line for we're going to dock starboard side alongside, please.
Roger, sir. Preparing headline for starboard side alongside.
First line, headline, outer headline, please.
First line, outer headline.
Sarap buhay si Boso, no? Tayo lang, oh. Hoy, mga Steva, wala pa. Hoy, Steva.
Kumain pa yung Steva dito.
Red line mid pass.
Okay, outer headline already made pass. Please, heave it up slowly and made pass.
Start saving up, sir.